Hey guys, welcome to Soulful Adventures. This is Hina. So let's see what are the cards for our next zodiac sign, and that is for Cancer for the month of September 2020. Let's see what Virgo season has brought for Cancerians for the month of September. Okay, hereby I am drawing some cards for them. Right now I am shuffling for them. Okay, so let's draw some cards for Cancers. First card. Crossing it, the second one. Third card. The fourth card. The fifth one. And the sixth card. Okay guys, so let's begin with the reading for the month of September 2020 for Cancers. So the first card that has been drawn for Cancer is the Tower. I hope this card is clear. The Tower is a card where there are sudden big changes. Okay, now let me tell you guys, sudden big changes is not momentarily. Okay, it is not for some time, it is for definite time, it is for long time guys. Okay, so right now in Cancer's life there is some things going on which are going to make them more stronger, because there is something they need to end and start with a new beginning guys. The Tower is a card where there are people who panic, but it's a very positive card if you look with a positive way. It's a card where you can make changes in your life. It gives you, it strikes you with the transformation. So it gives you the idea to change, to accept the end and to begin new. Okay, right now you are on that current position where you need to change, where you need to begin again, where you need to start a new chapter in your life, Cancers. Okay, so if you are going through a transformation, if you are going through a change, yes, definitely, because that is the tarot message. What present condition you are in, you are going through a transformation, a big sudden transformation has hit you, and yes, it's going to make you better. Okay, now what's crossing it? The second card that we had was Queen of Wands. Now Queen of Wands is an energy where you are full of passion, full of wisdom, where you are full of experience, positivity, curiosity. It's a fire energy, so you have that, I can tell you, passion in your life. Maybe because of this change, because of this transformation, you have identified what passion you really need to follow. And because of that, now you have become so strong and so fine and so wild spirit that you can achieve whatever you wanted. So this change has proven to be necessary. Okay, that is the present condition. The third card that we received is King of Cups. Now King of Cups is a card wherein it's full of love. King of Cups is an energy where you have been offered, or you are offering someone a full of care, a full of love cup, where you have become so much of kind, gentle, caring, that you are offering someone this full of love, because you have gone through a transformation, and use this as your strength guys, because it's a strength card. The position is a strength card. So the King of Cups is, use your gentle, caring and kind nature, because that's the true strength the Cancerian has. Then we have the fourth card as a Ten of Swords. Now Ten of Swords, again, as I tell you, in a near past, maybe in August end or something, you have decided finally you want to make some situations end in your life. Finally let them end. Finally there should be death of some toxic energy, some toxic situations, and not the people. Please understand, it's like some negative traits that you have or someone who has in their life should end and there should be a new beginning. So 10 of Swords is a card where you have stopped thinking negatively, where you have given a chance to transform yourself presently, and that's why you ended some relationship, maybe some toxic traits, maybe some toxic people you removed from your life, and finally you have decided to transform into a new strong woman or a new strong man with independent energy. That's what your past was about. Your present or your near future, we can tell, is 7 of Cups. So all that glitters is not gold, guys. So after the transformation, when you have full charge of passion, when you are full what I can tell you, full wild spirit and fully strong independent person, there would be many choices to make. Definitely there would be many people coming to you, offering you different choices: join me, invest in me, take this job offer, marry me, or many things. Understand, Cancerians, all that glitters is not gold. Means if there are some sweet talks, if there are some only positive things shown to you, try to evaluate, check properly before investing your time, energy or money in any sources. Okay, it means that. So by the end of September, you might come into the situation where there would be many options and you need to choose one. Choose wisely. Okay. Then what we have as a final outcome, what a beautiful card. It's a Virgo card. It's the Hermit. It's the final outcome for Cancerians. I'm so happy because this is one of my favorite cards. It means solitude. It means to meditate. It means to connect with yourself. It means to go into a shell and connect with yourself. Self-love, self-protection, self-restructuring, self-evaluation. Wow. Soul connection with yourself. What does this card mean is, so basically this month please focus on self-protection, self-analysis, self-love, protection for your energies from others, and specifically you will see by end of September you would be more into spirituality. I don't mean that you would be doing tarot readings or you would be doing any religious things, but might be you start meditating, or might be you start going for a walk, or might be you start to talk to yourself every night before sleeping. Self-analysis, introspection, definitely. So definitely overall outcome is a beautiful card of Hermit, and you need to practice the art of being hermit or being into solitude to be someone what you desired after this transformation. Okay guys, so this was a reading for you for the month of September, Cancers. Till then, bye bye. We will be meeting in our next zodiac reading for tarot reading for October month. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.